हेलो गाइस, वेलकम इन द माय बाथरूम। अब आप जानते हैं कि बहुत सारे फेस्टिव सीजन आ रहे हैं, जैसे रक्षाबंधन, 15 अगस्त, गणेश चतुर्थी। उसी के लिए आज हम करेंगे ग्रूम। फर्स्ट मैं कर रही हूँ शेव, ताकि अनवांटेड हेयर पूरी तरह से निकल जाए। द सेकंड स्टेप आई एम डूइंग इज स्क्रबिंग विद द pubic stone. As you can see how the dead skin cells comes out easily. The third step is body cupid aqua gel shower with a fresh smell it has, and I am scrubbing with the sponge, with a soft sponge, as you can see. Body cupid aqua gel rose and lavender essence body wash is very nice, guys. As you can see the result by one hand. Then washing my hairs and applying the wow shampoo of lavender. I love the smell, guys. Wow. Just rub on your scalp, not on your hair shampoo. Just wash it away, guys, properly. Now the second step is wow conditioner. I am using the coconut, not on the scalp. Never use conditioner on the scalp, only on the hairs. Now again washing my hairs, guys. You can see the shine after applying it. Then I am doing the scrubbing with this wow Upton. Very nice scrubber. You can see its texture looks like a multani mitti. Just wow, yaar, very nice smell, yaar. Apply on your hands, neck, face. You can apply this pack all over your body, and you can also apply under your arms, guys. It's remove all the tan. So I'm also applying this pack for underarms. Just scrub it in the circular motion, so that all the cells get washed away. As you can see, after washing, the result, the glowing whitish skin. Then yeah, guys, I'm out from the bathroom now. Just tap your face. Yes, I have done with my hairs. Then the first step, then the step after that is I'm applying the cold wow face mask. It is also like a multani mitti. It's good for the pimples skin. So just I'm applying it. It's better, guys, you put a pack on your face after bath, because all the pores get cleaned, and you can apply it. The pack give nice results. Then after that I am applying moisturizer, guys, of lavender, just to soften my skin and relaxing it with the massage it properly like a facial cream. I am giving the pressure points just to relax my face. Always massage upward direction, guys, for wrinkle free skin. Then I am doing the nail cleaning. Without nails in the festive season, I am alone, so just cleaning all the nails. So after that I am just applying this simple black color dark nail paint all to my fingers. For this festive season, this is good grooming, guys. Yeah, this is the look after the grooming. Let me know in the comment section, guys. So you will get a healthy skin, healthy hairs, and healthy nails and body too. So yeah, guys, happy Raksha Bandhan to all, happy 15th August to all, and happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Bye bye. Subscribe and